Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start new chapter, metric measurement. In that we will learn units of measuring length, mass and capacity. So let's start. The metric system is a worldwide accepted decimalized system of measurement. We measure meter, liter, gram, etc. for which we need some units to measure. So let's learn about some of the units and their place values that are used in the metric measurement system. But before starting the content, I would like to tell you something. Students, क्या आपने ये सोचा है जब ये metric system नहीं था तब उस समय लोग चीजों का लेन देन किस तरह से करते थे? कैसे वो लेंथ, वेट और कैपेसिटी को मेजर करते थे? तो उसके लिए वो हैंड स्पैन, फिंगर स्पैन, क्यूबिट, फुट और इसी तरह से वो कैपेसिटी और वेट को भी मेजर करते थे, क्योंकि सभी के हाथों का साइज एक जैसा नहीं होता है, तो ये एक्यूरेट नहीं होता था. But nowadays we are very lucky because we are using metric system of measurement. So let's start. Three basic units of the metric system are meter for measuring length, gram for measuring weight and liter for measuring capacity. In our daily life, we often need to use many other units bigger and smaller than these units. So let's get to know them through this table. Metric measurement and place value. It shows the place value of each unit and hence helps in determining the relation between the units. The standard units of measurements are meter, gram and liter placed in the ones column. As we move to the left, the units in the tens column are 10 times bigger than the standard unit. We name these as decameter, decagram and decaliter. As the prefix deca means 10 times and the units in the 100 columns are 100 times bigger than standard unit. We name these as hectometer, hectogram and hectoliter. As the prefix hecto means 100 times. Similarly, the units in the thousands column are 1000 times bigger than the standard unit. We name these as kilometer, kilogram and kiloliter. As the prefix kilo means 1000 times. Now let's move to the right of the ones column. The units in the 10th column are 10 times smaller than of 1/10 of the standard unit. We name these as decimeter, decigram and deciliter. As the prefix deci means 1/10 and the units in the 100th column are 100 times smaller than of 1/100th of the standard unit. We name these as centimeter, centigram and centiliter. As the prefix centi means 1/100th. Similarly, the units in the 1000th column are 1000 times smaller than of 1000th of standard unit. We name these as millimeter, milligram and milliliter. As the prefix milli means 1000th. Students, remember we attached certain prefixes to standard units to obtain bigger or smaller units. So, the units to the left of the standard units are bigger and the units to the right of the standard units are smaller. So students, this is the metric measurement and place value. In next video, we will learn conversion of units. So in homework, you have to write the units of measuring length, weight and capacity. And we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.